What is up, trappers? Check it out. We've got some sunshine today, and it's not too bad out here. It's nice. We got the mini truck, you can see. Wook's working on the box, but we're going to show you the air ride here in the mini truck. I know some of you guys have been following that, checking that out. If you listen, you can hear the compressor running right now. It's not too bad, guys. It didn't really go exactly the way I wanted it to right now, but there's still some work to do. We're going to get to it, but right now it's up, it's running, it's doing what it needs to do. We're going to get this camera flipped around and we're going to let you guys check it out. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're out doing today. It's beautiful out here, it's sunny, and we're just enjoying the day. But check this out, guys. This is the air ride. Alright, guys, let's check this out. We're walking up. I went ahead and turned the compressor off, and I got the switch box sitting out here. But this is what we're looking at. The check valve I had on the other leader line was bad, so I had to replace it. This is not really the right check valve. This is actually ½ inch, and I need a 1/4 inch, and I really think this is like a water check valve rather than like an air check valve. It works for now, guys. I have another compressor coming. This one, guys, I had to rebuild. You can see that maybe you noticed the head has slipped around on this one, when before it was like this. What I did is I took one of the Harbor Freight ones apart because the bearings in this actually ended up spinning. So I took one of the Harbor Freight pistons out in sleeve and put it inside this head, and we got it rigged up, and it's actually working pretty good. The reason I didn't use both of the Harbor Freight compressors is because they were fighting each other. One would blow in air here, one would blow air in there, but they would fight each other because my check valve was bad. So they definitely need the check valves in order to run two of them like that. But I think I'm just going to order another Max Air. It comes with the pressure switch. It'll kick on at 120 psi for me. It'll kick off at 150. The leader line is black rated leader line, and it comes with an air inline check valve that is 1/4 inch that will match up with this and be the right size. So that'll help out a lot, guys. But it's not bad. It's definitely a lot better than it was. Definitely a lot quieter. We'll kick it on for a second. See, you can hear the check valve tap. That will eventually wear it out. But it's all right for now. But you can hear that tap a little bit. Definitely a lot quieter than it was, and it looks so much better. But we'll turn that back off for a second. I got the switch box out here. We'll drop the back here. So much nicer, guys. All that hop is gone, and I don't know if you guys noticed here, but this would be the exit here. So instead of blowing off in the tank and where that rust spot was, we got rid of that, guys. We put another blow off, so anything that comes out of the tanks, any rust or anything like that, won't be in the bed. It'll blow out underneath. You can see I got one here, and I put one over there. So we cleaned up things a little bit here. This board, I'm still going to patch it up, clean it up, make it look a little nicer once we get the final compressor and things on here and the way it's going to set, and we'll have some more projects. I put this on. This is actually just the clear hose that I had that I split, put it on here. It'll help keep this from rubbing, just a little piece of trim. So we did something like that, guys. A lot of this stuff is going to get all cleaned up and painted, and we'll do some more work back here. I hit the ones on the wheel wells. I don't know if you noticed, but the rust spots that were on the wheel wells, those are covered up and gone, guys. And that's the air ride for now. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're out here doing. I got the back on the low dump, the front's still up. Wookie, he's got a light project going on, so when he's finished up with that and it's going, we'll get a clip of that and we'll show you what he's got going on with the box. But it's actually pretty neat. It'd be cool to see. So it'll be something to look forward to. Wheel lights, that's what it is, wheel lights. So keep an eye on that, guys. I think I am gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go chill out at the house for a little bit, chill out in the trapway, and you know, just enjoy my Sunday and sunshiny day. That's the air ride, guys. Thanks for checking it out. Make sure to keep on trapping, like, follow, all that good stuff, and we will see you in the next clip.